Let's make today's most famous and widely loved by all Indians, Khoya Burfi. It is made of khoya or reduced dry milk. Let me know in the comment if you want the recipe for khoya. For making burfi, first we take 1 cup of sugar, which is 150 gram, and 250 gram of khoya, reduced dry milk. Now we will continuously stir the sugar and khoya over a low flame so they don't stick to the pan. Try to break the khoya with your spoon. This will help it melt faster. As you can see, khoya and sugar it starts melting. But this is not the point to stop heat. We have to cook it more. After 5 minutes, now you can see all the small balls of khoya has melted perfectly. Now we have added some pistachio, or you can add any dry fruits what you have. And as you can see, a thin transparent layer of malai. This is the sign that our burfi will set properly. So now we will turn off the flame, and also one more thing, it has left the pan, means it is not sticking to the pan. You can see the space on the pan. We are removing the material, so it left the space on the pan. Maybe there might be some issue on language, but I'm trying to do my best. So we are taking a plate, but first grease the plate with ghee or any other oil. Now we will let the burfi for almost 12 to 13 hours to set properly. Now we are cutting the burfi and burfi is ready. So if you like it, enjoy it and subscribe.